Hey there, history enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating tale of how the first programming language came to life. You might think of programming as a modern marvel, but its roots stretch way back to the 19th century. Let's unravel this story, shall we? Our story begins with Ada Lovelace, a brilliant mathematician and writer. Ada was the daughter of the famous poet Lord Byron and received an excellent education in math and science, which was quite rare for women at the time. In the early 1840s, she met Charles Babbage, a mathematician and inventor working on an ambitious project, the analytical engine. The analytical engine was a mechanical general-purpose computer, an idea way ahead of its time. It had the potential to perform any calculation if only it had the instructions to do so. This is where Ada's genius comes into play. She wrote a set of instructions for the engine, essentially creating the world's first algorithm intended for a machine. But Ada didn't just stop there. She envisioned the broader potential of the machine. She theorized that the analytical engine could go beyond mere number crunching. It could weave patterns, compose music, and even create art. Her insights laid the foundation for the field of computer science. Fast forward to the mid-20th century and we meet Konrad Zuse, a German engineer who developed the Z3, the world's first programmable computer. Zuse created a language called Plankalkül, which included concepts such as loops, conditionals and arrays, things we still use in modern programming languages. But the first widely recognized programming language came from the United States during the 1950s. Grace Hopper, a pioneering computer scientist, developed the Flowmatic language for the UNIVAC-1 computer. Flowmatic was the first language to use English-like commands, making it more intuitive and accessible. This language eventually influenced the creation of COBOL, which became a cornerstone for business computing. Programming languages continued to evolve, with Fortran being created for scientific calculations and Lisp coming into existence for artificial intelligence research. Each language built on the ideas and innovations of Ada, Zuse, and Hopper. So there you have it, the remarkable journey of how the first programming languages came to life. From Ada Lovelace's visionary algorithms to Konrad Zuse's pioneering work and Grace Hopper's revolutionary language, these early efforts laid the groundwork for the digital world we live in today. Thanks for joining me on this historical adventure. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more intriguing stories from the past. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning. Learn with Deji.